My name is Alexander Milas. I'm a lifelong music journalist and archaeologist, and for about 10 years I was the editor and then editor-in-chief of Metal Hammer magazine. When you think about Black Sabbath, you really have to think about them as both a time and a place. They're more than a band that formed under the auspices of how most bands come together. They're really the product of a lot of socioeconomic tensions at the end of the 60s, and they're very firmly rooted in Birmingham as well, completely different from so much else that was happening at the time in the arts and in music, simply because of who they were and where they came from, their upbringings, and also the sorts of things that they were kind of thinking about. And so when you talk about where Black Sabbath came from, you can't just talk about the geography, you have to talk about who they came from as well. Anyone who ever thinks about like the kind of a political and social history of Birmingham has got to think about the working class. Because of Birmingham and the black country, it's almost impossible to extricate local culture from that industrial background. And as a consequence, even Black Sabbath reflect those sorts of conditions, not just in their upbringing, but also in their outlook, particularly post-war. And that's precisely when Tony and Geezer and Bill and, of course, Ozzy Osbourne were growing up.